Let me know when you start.
Start.
All right. We made it to DCA. We're in the American Express Centurion Lounge. It's breakfast time.
I can get your shoes.
Okay. All right. My wife's meal. My meal. Big boy breakfast.
Say hi.
Alrighty. Go ahead, dear. Where you going? I'm going this way. Remember I said I'm vlogging. Look through here. Got a little room tour of our digs here in Miami for one night. We are packing up. There's a little layout of the floor we're on. This is our room right here in the corner. Got a little extra space with this little premium room, they call it, which is this little extra room right here. Shoes down there. This is all my stuff. It's just easier to keep separated. Went to the grocery store for breakfast. I had ice cream. Awesome. Bathroom. Good shower, good heat, but water pressure was lacking. Pretty bad in the water pressure department. This hotel is Hotel Indigo in the Brickell section of Miami. They use Xenology products, which is a nice little flair there with a little hanging plant. It's a boutique hotel, so no real closet. TV is out because of the storm. Wife is packing, about to head to the ship in about an hour. Our check-in time's at 1:30. And we got a little rain. If you're ever down here in the Brickell section, this construction area right here is going to be the Mercedes Plaza Suites. Something like that. But the car company, Mercedes-Benz, is building some suites here. So, that's it. Alrighty. Little boutique. You got a little yellow mouse on the wall. You like that, dear? Got Slender Man right there. You can actually, they want you to take a marker and put the eyes in the face. You draw your own face there. That's right. But not a bad little spot. Walls are thin though. Walls are really, really, really thin. You can hear nothing crazy, but we got the neighbors next door, and we heard all their conversations, all their laughter, everything. But it is what it is. Next stop, the Celebrity Beyond. Check out my kicks. These are the, I forgot what these are, but I like that backwards Nike Air. Okay, something just happened down the hallway, but we made it to our room. 7127. Nice and smooth. No problems. I got it there. Check-in was quick. No line. It did tell me, however, that I could have brought my non-alcoholic beer. So,
here we are.
This is our room. for the next 7 days. The Infinite Veranda Suite.
7127.
Yes. And my wife doesn't realize this is not the room we originally had. We had one with a small window in the front of the ship, but I upgraded us.
Did you really?
Yeah. This is an upgrade. You can put the window down.
Good.
That window opens.
This window open?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know. The button right here. Maybe they didn't. Oh, there it is.
Oh my gosh.
There's the button. So it turns into a balcony. Here, you let it down.
Oh, then we can close this.
Yeah. Surprise. Told you I had a surprise.
Thank you, dear. Oh, this is wonderful.
So we got a little bit of outside.
Oh my God.
The other one was just in the front of the ship and it was just a window only. Now, let's see this
Wow.
bathroom real quick. Sorry, I'm going back and forth with the microphone and without the microphone. Sometimes I have time to take it out and sometimes I don't. But this is nice. There's a light. Oh, I turned it off. Oh. Okay, this is as much light as you get in here, I guess, but nice big shower. Holy crap. Nice. Look at that. All right, I'm with it. Got a black person in here too. I like that. Extra. They must have knew we was coming here. Look at it. Look at this art.
Oh, they knew we were coming.
They must have knew we was
They
coming.
knew. I love it.
Yep.
Stand, you should get a shot from back here. Did you?
I don't know. I'm sure.
Oh, okay.
Here, I'm gonna take this up jacket. Oh, you book bag.
Look at the art. I do like that. That's the door closed over there.
Yeah. Oh.
That my husband surprised me with.
Was there
Surprise,
any, shades?
surprise. That is a good question. I don't know. You want me to keep recording or?
No, you done. I'm good.